Clogged shower drains are the worst, but fixing them yourself is way easier than you think if you know the right moves. First off, grab a plunger and make sure there's some water in the shower pan so it can actually push against the clog. Give it a few good pumps, and sometimes that's all it takes. If that doesn't cut it, get a drain snake. You can find one at your local hardware store without breaking the bank. Stick that springy end down the drain and twist it around to snag whatever's causing the jam. Another solid trick is using a mix of vinegar and baking soda. Pour a cup of vinegar down the drain, then add a tablespoon of baking soda, let it chill for about 10 minutes, and flush it out with some hot water. When things get tougher, sodium hydroxide drain cleaner steps in to break down organic gunk chemically. Just be sure to suit up with gloves and follow the instructions exactly, because this stuff is serious business. If none of these DIY fixes work, it's time to call a licensed plumber, since they've got heavy-duty tools that can handle everything from stubborn clogs to tree roots invading your pipes. And if the clog isn't on your property, give your city or water utility company a ring. They handle blockages downstream between your place and the main sewer line. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to unclog a shower drain is using harsh chemical cleaners without protection or proper ventilation, which can be dangerous and damage your pipes. Always read labels carefully and wear gloves. Another common slip-up is not using enough water when plunging. Without enough water, the plunger won't create the suction needed to move the clog. Lastly, many folks try to fix serious blockages themselves without calling a professional plumber, which can lead to further damage and more expensive repairs. Knowing when to get expert help saves time and money. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their skills, making finding work way easier.